They sail the ship all alone. You never make me take it home. Louie, Louie, oh, we gotta go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. 3 nights and days I sail the sea. And me think a girl would constantly on the ship. I dream she's there. I see her flowers in her hair. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. We see Jamaica, moon above. It won't be long. I see my love. I'll take her in my arms and then me tell her I'll never leave again. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Louie, Louie, whoa, we gotta go. Let's go.
And really, if I give a damn about anything you say, I write a book called The Daffodil about a raccoon, we call him Bill. Smoke cigarettes and drinks cheap wine while he sits just making rhymes. I wrote 100 miles just to make you crazy. Something about me and you, simply call it deja try and write it in the rain. I'll hand you my warped opinions, cheese, popcorn, and soda pop. Kinda works, Bill, but real now. I wrote 100 miles just to make you crazy.